let's make a quick and easy Christmas casserole. Today we're making lamb sausage baked macaroni. It's going to be meaty, cheesy, tomatoey, and all around just a burst of wonderful flavors. Hi guys, so Christmas coming up, and I know that some of you guys are going to be busy working during Christmas as well. I know that because I've been there myself. And this is a recipe I thought that will help you guys. For those of you who do not have time to cook a long ass process dinner, to something quick that you can pull up within half an hour. So basically what we're making is something of a lasagna, but we're gonna make like a macaroni bolognese and then we're treating it like a lasagna. Okay, I have here a pot of water that's boiling away. We're gonna heavily season this water, give it a stir, nice. And now we're going in with our macaroni. Now we're going to dice up a couple of stalks of celery. Carrot, peel and dice. Slice and dice 1 onion. All right, so when the pasta is ready, remove the pasta and strain out the liquid. Now chop up about 5 cloves of garlic. Once your pan nice and hot, add in some olive oil. Now I have here some lamb sausages that we're just going to squeeze out the meat and brown these sausages. These sausages, you can use whatever lamb sausage you like. If you can't find lamb, please go ahead and use beef. We're just removing the skin at this point. Break down the meat. Once the lamb sausage goes in, you really get that nice, beautiful smell of lamb. All right, once you see that the meat starts to brown, we're going in with a teaspoon of cumin, because lamb loves cumin. And I'm going in with a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Beautiful, that's just going to further flavor the lamb. Now we're going in with the rest of the vegetables. Garlic, onions, carrots, lastly celery. So all we're going to do now is we're going to sweat the vegetables, get them nice and soft. Now we add in the tomato sauce. All right, so I've just added some water inside the jar to loosen up whatever tomato sauce that's left there, and also to dilute this a little bit so that the meat has a chance to soften. Stir everything together. Now we're going to simmer this for maybe 5 to 8 minutes, just so everything combines nicely and the meat gets a chance to soften up. Now here I'm going to add in a quick cheat. The Prego mac and cheese sauce. Remember how I said that I was going to treat this like a lasagna? So this is going to be the bechamel that goes in between all those layers between the pasta and the cheese. Add in a little bit of water and stir it up so you catch all that goodness in the can. Give it a stir and allow it to heat through. Now, season. A little bit of salt, black pepper. Look at how nice, rich, thick this is. Beautiful. Basically, it's also a recipe that you can use to get rid of whatever little bit of vegetables that you have in your fridge. You can put eggplants in here, you can put capsicums in here, so many different things. Mushrooms. Yeah, if you're trying to get rid of mushrooms that have been there for a while, chuck them in here to deliver wonderful flavors. Pasta goes in, mix everything together. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a meal on its own already. Turn off the heat. Once your cheese sauce starts to heat up, we're good to go. All right, so we start off with the pasta at the bottom. We go in with some cheese sauce. Now this is 3 cheese. Inside here there is Parmesean, Cheddar and Mozzarella. Back again with the pasta. Compress it down, cheese sauce, cheese. Last layer. Add that last layer of cheese. So I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to chuck this in there until we get this nice, beautiful crust out the top. You can smell the beautiful golden crust of cheese and the lamb that's coming through. Now, here I have some parsley, flat leaf parsley. I'm just going to run my knife through. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the lamb sausage baked macaroni. Enjoy. All right, I served this with a little bit of sour cream on the side. The flavor of this dish is really rich. The flavors, the richness from the lamb, the cheese, the tomato just cuts everything through, and a little bit of that sour cream for that nice, fresh acidity. The flavors are absolutely robust, delicious. You can taste the cumin coming through towards the end. And because some of the macaroni tops were exposed, so they get a little bit chewy, and that adds like a nice dimension in texture as well. This is absolutely a recipe to keep. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this content, you've liked it, do click the like and subscribe button. I hope this quick fix helps you in preparing something for your family this Christmas. Take care, guys. Love you all. Merry Christmas. Rugi tak makan kambing.